This autumn and winter 2024, Arcade Spotlight Youth Theatre worked on the North York Moors Trust project Birds on the Edge, funded by the National Lottery Heritage Fund. This project is dedicated to helping both nature and people thrive through conservation, education and recreation, thinking about creativity and wellbeing. A lot of the young people who all come from Bridlington had never visited the North York Moors Trust before, and this project started with the artist Dinah Logan and North York Moors Trust's Mary. The young people attended a day trip in Dalby Forest, engaging with creative nature activities, including creating an art installation with leaves and bits of nature around and befriending a caterpillar, to then creating their own improvised performance pieces inside in the warm after a hot chocolate. They also attended a residential trip in the outstation in Stape, which was very exciting, an opportunity to stay over with friends, have a sleepover, melt marshmallows, build a bonfire, but also involved creative nature activities again, with creating bird boxes and working together as a team, and even being exceptionally brave and going and visiting the forest at night time and turning off all their lights. This all culminated through the development of their own theatrical piece created by themselves and the artist Dinah Logan, which was a response to all of the engagement with the North York Moors and Mary. They created a piece about city children and countryside children meeting together on the moors and learning lessons about being safe in the moors, but also the beauty of the moors and what we can learn from it, with their own creative injection of some very funny characters, presenters called Pant and Peck, if I remember correctly, and they were warmly supported by an audience of parents, guardians and the North York Moors Trust team.